Today is a big day for Vivo, as the Chinese company has unveiled the market-ready version of its Apex concept smartphone, which shocked and awed the world at MWC in February. And while the Vivo NEX S is the new flagship device, the NEX A comes to complement it in the company's roster, bringing with it a lower price. That is justified because the NEX A is powered by the Snapdragon 710 SoC, and not the 845 in the S. It has a vanilla fingerprint sensor on the back, and not an under-display unit. The NEX A also settles for 6GB of RAM and 128GB of non-expandable built-in storage, whereas all of the other specs are identical to those of the NEX S. So it is built around a 6.59-notch free Full HD and Super AMOLED touchscreen with a 91.24% screen-to-body ratio, and a 4000 mAh battery. The NEX A, like the NEX S, will have a dual rear camera setup with a 12MP f1.8 main sensor, Sony IMX363, with dual pixel autofocus, 1.4 pixels, OIS, and EIS, aided by a 5MP f2.4 secondary camera. Selfies are taken care of by the elevating front camera. The periscope-like thing has 8MP resolution and f2.0 aperture. The Vivo NEX A runs Android 8.1 Oreo with FuntouchOS 4.0. It has a 3.5mm headset jack on the top side, a USB-C port for fast charging, a 22.5-watt charger comes in the box, dual SIM functionality, and one single speaker on the bottom. It's 2018, so a new phone launch, especially one as highly anticipated as this one, couldn't have taken place with no mention of AI. Thankfully, the NEX A is full of that. Vivo says it's pursuing the ultimate AI photography technologies, with things such as AI HDR, AI filters, and AI photo composition. The camera AI has 18 tags and 140 scenes it can recognize. But wait, there's more. The Joby intelligent voice assistant has been updated with powerful voice commands, image identification, and a dedicated button you can use to access it. Joby now lets you use apps and features with your voice. The Vivo NEX A will be out in China in red and black on June 23 for 3,898 Chinese yuan, that's about $608 or €515 at the current exchange rates. Pre-orders start tomorrow. There's no word yet on international availability. The black model switches RGB colors under different lighting conditions thanks to triangular elements, through what Vivo calls holographic diffraction dynamic color illusion technology.